All right, what is up, Zen community? I hope you guys are having a great day. We are one day away from Friday, about to be the weekend. I know everybody is excited for that. Well, I'm kind of excited for the weekend, mainly for the next couple of days for that weekly candle to come on through, because some cryptos out there are really into the weekly candlesticks to let them know whether to hold or even buy or trade, swing, all them factors. So the weekly candle plays a big role into buying, selling, holding. I want to see where we are at on multiple of these coins. For this video, we're going to be talking about Xen. It popped. Finally, it is doing something other than just sideways. I guess somewhat of a sideways action. Not really, but it's just like a really slow price decrease in the past for the longest shot. Man, this is, since, look at this. I'm on the 4 hour and I'm on December, and then it went just down. I did see one person comment on a video I made months and months and months ago, where I said the title was on that video. It said, "Is Xen dead?" And then I was talking about other tokens other than Xen on Ethereum, because I was saying Xen ETH was gonna drop down, and I was saying and mentioning other potential really good buyers of Xen, for example, Optimism, Coinbase Xen, and mainly Pulse Chain Xen. Well, long story short, the guy commented saying, this didn't age well. Well, that is so wrong, because that video was months ago, and we were like way up here on Xen price, and now look where we are at, and it finally pumped a little bit. And it's mainly because of Ethereum finally doing something. And the comment was like, this video didn't age well. I mean, sure, if that's what you want to say, then that's fine. I just find it really funny, that it didn't age well. Whenever I made the video, whenever the prices were way up here, somewhere around this upward level, and now that we're finally starting to see some upward momentum, it's just so funny with me. So yeah, it's all good. So Xen to USD is what I use the most. I'm doing the 4 hour right now, which is looking really good. We crossed bullish. It seems like we are looking to go, I want to say the first target is going to be about 4982. It wants to go there. There is going to be some minor resistance, which it's the 4 hour, man. I'm just pointing out some little micron levels right now to see where we could go to. So yeah, man, this looks really good though for Ethereum Xen. Around 4.8 to 4.9. It wants to head that way. But again, this is pretty much doing good because Ethereum's finally waking up and doing something. Just like how other tokens are finally starting to do something. Hint, hint, why TinyX is doing something. Meme coins on Ethereum are also looking really good as well. A lot of factors are playing this into making it happen. So still be very cautious about it. But as long as ETH is still going higher, and as long as the gas fees still stay high, then we should still see another good candle. By the way, on the daily, this is crossing bullish. I just hope it's not a fake out like over here. So yeah, 488 is where we are. I'm gonna draw that line right now in front of you guys, because why not, right? So first target is gonna be 488. I want to see that price range hit in the next coming days, man. It would be great to see that right there. I would not mind it 1 second, but I've always said, well, not always, but recently-ish, I know I mentioned it in a couple of videos. I was saying that Xen was not a holding coin for a minute. It was a trading token where you just mint and sell your Xen and trade, remint again over and over. I'm happy with my Xen that I had, man, that I have right now. I was selling, especially Pulse Chain Zen. Pulse Chain Zen has been phenomenal, man. I love it. So I'm happy with the little bit that I have of Zen. It's not like a big old massive bag, but it's a decent position to which if it does a 10, 20x or whatever, I'm still going to be very happy. I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket. Hell no. Never do that. Always diversify, always scatter your funds around. I'm into multiple other L1s and meme coins and everything. Like I've been in Tron since 2018, since it was under 1 cent. I remember buying at 008, stuff like that. I'm still have my Tron. I still got Litecoin. I still got Ethereum. I've been buying. I had Ethereum since $200, under $200. I remember buying a big, massive amount of tokens at $172 of Ethereum. I'm in no rush, man. So Bitcoin, of course, the number one. All these meme coins, Pulse Chain, PLS, X, Hex as well, PTGC. Bro, my portfolio looks very nice, but I am also the type of person to which I like to take profit. I like to sell my coins and sell it to either stable coins or just cash out in general, because right now everything's pumping up. Everything looks great. It really does. But this is where the smart people sell their positions from way, years ago or months ago and months or whatever. Whenever the bear market was into effect and prices were much, much cheaper, that's whenever I was buying. That's whenever everybody else was buying. Right now, you sell whenever everybody's FOMOing in and having that, fear of missing out, and the prices are skyrocketing all-time high. That's whenever you sell. And then whenever the news media and everybody else is calling crypto a scam because it's dropping and is dumping, and we enter a bear market, nobody believes in crypto anymore, that's when you buy, okay? Right now, if you do decide to get into any crypto in general, in my opinion, it's to trade it, not for I'm going to buy right now at Bitcoin at $120,000 and hold it for 5 years and, see it going maybe to $200, $200,000 or something like that, man. So I hope you guys don't get greedy and don't expect to make millions and millions of dollars. I hope so. I wish you the best. And I hope it does happen in fruition. Don't get me wrong, but the smartest people that make the most amount of gains is whenever it's in a bear market. Definitely. Zen does look like it's going to pop off a little higher, though. That 1334 does look like it's going to cause it to go higher. Hopefully it's not a fake out like this one. But I'm looking at the weekly, and the weekly is still very much so very bearish. The absolute highest I think Zen is going to go to and see a major wall is this line right here. That's going to be at 7.73, and this is actually pushing it as well. So first breakout line is 4.8. If we break through that, and that's with Ethereum's help as well, the best we're going to see until we see a major pullback is 7.2. So give or take another a 2-ish, about a 1.5, 1.75x from the current price right now. But the weekly is definitely something we got to watch out for, man. We really got to watch out for this one. It's very bearish. Let's see the 1 month maybe. The 1 month looks even horrible, man. So lower lows for the most part. I'm curious to see how this chart will look like in a few years. Like, is it just gonna do a U pattern like this and have the monthly look a lot better on the chart wise? But it's still really early in my opinion for the overall charts for the monthly side. I like the weekly the best. Great candle though, man. Again, thanks to Ethereum. If you're still holding Zen, or if you bought down here, good. I mean, absolutely, that's really good for you. Just don't hold too long, because who knows, man. Because we saw one big candle like right here, we went up and then we just ended up going even lower. We saw another one right here where we saw 3 green candles where we saw some really good gains, and then we got lower. So, nothing's promised, nothing's guaranteed. I wish Zen the best. I wish you guys the best. Absolutely, man. but you have to be also ready for any case scenario. Pulse Chain Zen, I'm not even gonna bring up the chart, but I'm enjoying Pulse Chain Zen. I'm enjoying Optimism, Coinbase, Zen. You know, all of them are great tokens, and Zen, of course, right? All of these are great tokens to hold with a, what is it, where is it at? $8.5 million market cap. Like, bro, like just last year we were at 42 million. I think it was 62 million, something like that. Liquidity is sitting at just under $200,000. I saw this meme going around where it's like, Trevon doesn't have any claims, and that's whenever we're gonna pump. And I'm guessing, my guess is he has no. I'm sorry, that he can't. How did the meme go? I forgot. I saw it on Twitter. It was like, if Trevon cannot mint or claim any Zen, we're gonna pump. So whenever I see this, it just reminds me of that shit, and I just find it so funny, man. I've been watching Trevon since 2015. No, when did he start? When did I start? 2018? I don't remember. I've been watching him for a long time, and multiple years. I know that. I have a lot of respect for him, yo. You got to respect the OGs that have lived through these bear markets. I have no complaints, no nothing about Trayvon. I respect him a lot, and he has his own opinions about me too. Which, you know, if he doesn't like me, that's fine. If he likes me, cool. I'm okay. I'm a chill dude. I don't really care about it. You know, it's everybody has their own style. Everybody has their own. Oh, which by the way, I learned a lot of stuff from him on charts. So shout out to him, man. I really do appreciate everything that he has done. So that's just one factor that I wanted to point out there for you guys. The private members are enjoying some really good gains. If you want to join the private members, you can join on YouTube or on Twitter. Whichever one you decide is perfectly fine. Everything's in the description. Make sure you create dummy wallets for new projects. Make sure you don't connect your main one. Take profits. Enjoy life, man. You may never know what's going to happen tomorrow. I know it's going to be a bumpy ride still, especially for Zen. There's still going to be bumpy rides. This looks good, but anything can happen. I don't want to get anybody's hopes up. Hopefully this continues to go up though. We'll see. So make sure you click the like button, subscribe, comment down below anything. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.